Now, Madam Witness, you were presented with several activities at sabi ng Counsel for Respondent, i-enumerate niya. Itong specifically protective intelligence operation and places of engagement. Tinanong sa'yo, pag ba ang mga security guards ng presidente na-inspect daw ang routes prior to departure and arrival of the president, of the vice president, I'm sorry, for possible threats, for criminal groups. Yung mga security guards ng vice president, ini-inspect yung rota. Dadaan dito ang vice president. Office of the Vice President, by President or Deputy, daraan dito. Tignan nga natin kung may komunista dito. Tignan na natin kung may NPA dito. Tignan nga natin kung may terorista dito. Yan ba ay
Your Honor,
parte?
please. Your
I
Honor.
haven't finished.
Let her finish,
Is
Counsel.
that part of confidential activity or confidential funds?
Your Honor, please.
Yes, Counsel for
The
Respondent.
good counsel is adding facts to the question. Can she not cite the exact wordings, Your Honor?
Your Honor, please. This is redirect. You opened the door,
She can refer
Counsel.
to the record, Your Honor.
Counsel, you opened the door. You said, in fact, you asked her, is this part of the, Your Honor, please. Is this part of
Counsel
the
for
regular?
Respondent, please, you read parts of the PIO, what do you call it,
PIOR,
Celine?
Your Honor.
PIOR,
But Your Honor, please, she can just refer to the records.
which
So that
includes
nothing will be
NPA,
added.
terrorist groups, and in fact mentions the word criminalities, which I'm not
Yeah.
sure about, but criminalities, correct? Celine,
Yes.
correct?
Opo,
She
nabanggit.
said that, Your
So
Honor.
the question is, you mentioned earlier that these are part of confidential functions, not regular functions of the OVP, correct?
That was the question of Counsel for Respondent.
Exactly. She
I don't
responded to that
understand, Your
answer.
Honor.
Now, what is your question, Attorney
My
Cotton?
question here is, okay, itong Office of the Vice President, na-confirm mo na may confidential funds.
Opo, meron po.
Okay. But in the Commission on Audit, outside COA ICFAO, are you aware that the Office of the Vice President has funds outside the confidential funds, her confidential funds?
Nasa part na po yun ng regular audit. Ang sa ICFAO lang po is yung sa confidential funds lang po.
So you're saying that the Vice President, OVP, the Deputy Secretary, has funds.
Your Honor,
other than-
please.
I
Already
haven't even
answered,
finished.
Counsel?
She answered.
Misleading, Your Honor. She didn't say that they have funds. She said she has no knowledge because that is
No,
not the
Your
scope of her audit.
She said, Your Honor,
She said that
that
it's not
there
the
are
subject.
there are funds subject of regular audit. Regular funds
Yes po, may
of the
regular
Vice
funds.
President herself.
Opo,
And this is subject, Madam Witness, to regular audit.
yes po.
And being subject to regular audit, it is not part of the COA ICFAO confidential funds audit, correct?
Yes po,
Okay.
tama po.
Would you know that the Office of the Vice President has regular funds or special funds for security personnel? Are you aware of that, Madam Witness?
Dahil nga po ang sa amin lang is confidential fund, hindi po ako aware dun sa regular funds po ng OBP.
Okay. Regular funds, the security personnel, and it is here in your circular. It says salaries for staff is not part of the allowable expense of confidential funds, correct? You mentioned that before.
Nasa 4.11 po yung mga hindi dapat paggamitan ng CF at IF.
Salaries, wages, overtime, additional compensation, allowances, etc. of government, of salaries, benefits, additional compensation, allowance, or other fringe benefits of officials and employees who are employed by the government in whatever capacity or elected officials, except when authorized by law. the office of the Vice President it is of public knowledge that the office of the Vice President has no less than 400 security guards. Are you aware of that? Public knowledge.
Narinig ko po sa news.
Yes. And if the security guards are being paid salaries, should these salaries be debited or reimbursed from confidential funds?
Isa po, yung salaries po, hindi po siya pwedeng i-charge sa confidential fund.
Okay. So itong activity na sinabi na to check securities, to check surveillance daw, to make surveillance of the routes of the Vice President when she arrives to an
Your-
engagement, when she leaves to an engagement, when she attends engagements, Christmas parties, whatever.
Council for respondent, yes?
Ocular,
Your Honor, please.
I haven't finished.
Okay.
Okay. And council mentioned ocular inspection and casing of venue prior to activity. Now, prior to an activity, should this be part, Madam Witness, if this is a function being done by her personal security guards, should this be considered as part of confidential funds activity, Your Honor? This clearing the road.
Your Honor, please.
Yes, Council for respondent.
The report that does not say that it was done by the security guards. Your Honor, there's nothing in there.
I'm asking her now, Your Honor.
That's asking for an opinion, Your
No,
Honor.
no. Let's clarify one thing first. The Vice President has no security guards. She has
She has security personnel, Your Honor.
VPSG, Vice
Yes, Your
President Vice Presidential Security Group, which was, I think, later on placed under the Presidential Security Command, under the unified command of the Presidential Security Command. So, the
Yes,
question,
Your Honor, I will reform.
kindly
If-
reform, Council.
If it is the VPSG that does this activity of, quote, ocular inspection, casing of the venue, clearing of routes prior to arrival and departure, would that be reimbursable if they are paid separately from another fund? Can that be part of the liquidation of confidential funds, Madam Witness?
Your Honor, please.
Yes, Council for respondent.
The witness is incompetent to answer that because the liquidation report does not state that these were paid to the VPSPG.
It's a question.
If she
Your
knows,
Honor.
Council, if she knows,
knows.
Celine, if you know.
Pwede pong pakiulit. Sorry po.
Yung VP, I said, and as correctly pointed out, the presiding judge, the VP does have a complement, and they're called Vice VP SPG.
Opo.
You're aware of that, Madam Witness, and as you said, public knowledge that she has something like 400. No. My question to you is, and you already confirmed that the VP herself has funds outside these confidential funds.
Your Honor, please.
There's
Yes,
no question
Counsel.
yet.
Misleading, Your Honor. She did not say that she confirmed that there were funds of the VP outside of the
Well,
confidential
anyway,
funds.
Council, the Senate passes the budget of all the offices of government, and we are well aware that the office of the Vice President has other funds. We need not belabor the point on objections from either side. We are aware of the existence of other funds of the office of the Vice President as well as the DepEd. In fact, the DepEd has the highest budgetary allocation in any GAA.
Your Honor, please. If I
Continue,
may.
Council.
Yes, if I may, Your Honor. Counsel keeps objecting to my questions, but she herself was the one who brought it up. In the first page of her own exhibit, it says here, and you asked the question, she asked the question, Mr. Presiding Judge, Your Honor. She says, what does this scope This report, quote unquote, you read this. She read this, Mr.
I confirm
Presiding
that,
Officer.
Move
The
on,
scope
Council.
pertains to the narrative of events and accomplishments of the VPSPG. VPSPG. In terms of the protective intelligence during the engagement of Vice President Sara Duterte for the first quarter. So, these activities are the activities
Move on, Council.
of
Yes,
the
the chair already ruled in your
VPSPG.
favor.
So she can answer, Your Honor.
Yes, yes. Move forward, Council.
Can you answer that question? If, as stated there, these are activities of the VPSPG for the personal engagements of the Vice President, is this a proper matter? Is this proper liquidation of the confidential funds of the Vice President?
Under the joint circular po, yung confidential fund should only be used dun sa allowable expenses under an item 4.8 of the joint circular po.
You did not answer the question, Silene. Yes or no?
Pwede pong pa-clarify ulit yung tanong.
Kasama ba sa proper liquidation ang personal engagements ng Vice President at ang bayad or the payment of compensation for the VPSPG for her
Your Honor, please.
activities relating to personal activities of the Vice President?
Kung yung personal activities po, hindi siya chargeable to confidential funds.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, Counsel asked you earlier about the mandate of the COA, and you are competent to testify on it. Okay. Correct?
Opo. Opo.
Now, I will ask you about the mandate. The mandate of the Vice President. Kasama ba sa mandato ng isang Vice President, and I will read you the Constitution, performs executive, ceremonial, and social services, functions, collaborating with stakeholders of organizations in both private and public sectors to develop and promote